Alright, what's up everybody? This video is going to be for my channel, but it's also going to be for Reddit because I want to go ahead and get my blue belt. I don't know if I'm above a blue belt because the purple, I don't own any of the locks, and I'm not sure what would be similar, so I'm going to have to find out, but in the meantime I will settle for the blue. I'm going to pick this American. I have to pick at least one of the following from that list, and I picked the American 1100 and 5200, but now that I had to do it on camera, I can't seem to get it done. But there's the 5200 series. Make sure you can see that on the lock. And American lock. Alright. So this lock works great. I've picked it before, and I picked the 1100 that I have. Oh, wrong key. Don't understand why I've been having trouble getting into it, but let's go ahead and record this. The lock works great. If I get it open, I will gut it and put it back together all in one video. And here we go. Okay, let me turn this flash off. Top of the keyway is what we're going to start with. And my overreach hook. Alright, here we go. You know what? That top of the QA does not work good for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back to my 50,000s, and I want to try something different. Use a different hook. Here we go. And we got it, son of a... Alright guys, thankfully that was quick. So if this is on my channel, which I probably will post it, I will redo this video at a later time for the video series on American locks, because I want to progressively go through what I have. But so yeah, that actually wasn't that bad. That one definitely feels like, well, not definitely feels like, I know it does because I've picked it before. It does have at least 2 or 3 serrated spools. But we're going to do this all in one video. Man, it's been a while. I've been trying to get that picked again, and for some reason it just wanted to give me trouble. Alright, so without screwing this up all in the same motion, let's us do this. My tool is still in there. I will need a screwdriver. I will need a shim. And I will need my little plug follower. Boom, boom, boom. And let me go ahead and lower this. That way it's all in one video. You can still see I haven't messed with the lock. So I'm going to take the tension wrench out. It's still in the picked position. You have no idea how happy I am, guys. So definitely glad I was able to get that. So I would still have it in the unlocked position. Ooh, drop the bolt, drop the bolt. Bolt down, bolt down. Alright, it is still in the unlocked position. You can see. I am so excited because I got it. I got the 1100 and I couldn't pick it because I wasn't experienced at the time when I got it. And when I finally was able to start understanding security pins and I got the 1100, I was so excited. And then about a week after I finally picked the 1100, like because I knew what I was doing, I got the 5200, brought it home. I picked it open like it was a master number 5, you know, just like nothing. And then I think I picked it a few times, gutted it to see what was in it, and then I left it be. And it's been a while since I've attempted it, so I was kind of surprised. I mean, I've been trying nightly to get it, and with being tired and not having patience, it's... Oh, now I gotta deal with this stupid clip. Come on. Screwdriver out. There we go. Make sure this is all still in frame. Man, that's a good feeling. Alright, don't want to lock it back up because that would suck. Got it the way we need to. Let me see if I can leave it here in view. In view. And let me see if I can adjust my light. There we go. That'll give us a little better light. And boom. Could zoom out just a hair. Alright, so I will prove that I can gut it and put it back together. And then for Reddit, I have a YouTube channel which I'll link. I've been helping people, you know, beginners, interacting with people. I made a challenge lock. I actually shipped it out. Another follower Reddit user has it, and he's gonna send it to somebody else. So I definitely am interactive in this community, and I wanted to stay that way. Stupid little ant. Alright, now I just need my plug folder. I'm so excited I got that. Oh, it's been eating at me. It's like, I know that they can be tricky, but I know what I'm doing. That was the right decision. Switching. Alright. Anyway, I'm going to put this shim in because I always seem to gunk these locks up. Padlocks, and I have a whole padlock pinning kit. I mean, I just want it to be one smooth video. Brand new shims, why not? Oh, shit, hopefully you can see that. Zoom out just in case. Alright, so all we did was put our shim in it. It's still unlocked in the unlocked position. Oh, if we hold it right side up, I guess, duh. And make sure my Q pins don't fall out on the floor. What in the hell? Come on, I don't got time for this. My shim is caught on something. So I just put it back in there because I don't want none of the parts all over the place. There we go. Okay, now my shim is all the way through. Don't have to worry about losing all my little parts. Alright, so real quick, we're gonna go ahead and got 5 pins in this lock. I put mine on here like this. Key pin 5 is a serrated pin. Key pin 4 serrated. 3 serrated. I'm gonna have to do 1 and then 2. Boom, boom, boom. And now for the stuff up top. Back up a little bit. Okay. So for number 1, it is the serrated spool. Number 2 is just a serrated driver pin. Number 3 is a serrated spool. Number 4 is just a regular serrated pin again. And 5 is also just a regular serrated driver pin. Alright, so we will go ahead and put this back together, get a close-up, and hopefully I can get my blue belt, because I definitely know I can obviously pick it like I just proved it. So, there are the pins. Don't want to spill them, but oh, you can see those serrated spools. I can see them from here. Alright, and now we'll go ahead and put the lock back together. So, I'm going to put my shim back in. Well, I guess I technically don't need to do that right now because this should work out good enough. I'm going to put all my springs in. Because they sit down so low, I don't have to worry about them. And this, it does have room for 6 pins, but it's only pinned up 5. Okay. Wow, another practice lock on eBay sold. Sorry. Alright, let me finish this. So I'm gonna go ahead and jeez. Alright, I'm sorry, let me focus on the video. Okay, serrated was in 1. 2 was a, well, it doesn't matter because we have them in the right order. Then I'm going to just go ahead and turn this around because number 3 is sticking up a little bit and I don't want to catch it and knock the pin and the spring out. It's the good thing about American and Masters, that they sit so low. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put my shim in. That way I can go ahead and put my plug faller in without a problem. Boom, like magic. Go ahead and put my key pins. They're all serrated. I think I did a close-up shot. 2, number 3 is just a little guy. 4 and 5. And just for myself, I will make sure that it is flush. Boom. Man, you know, what I should have done for this video was pinned up that extra spot. These are all Master American pins, but you know what? Will that work? Yeah, you know what? Let's do it. we're going to go ahead and make it a 6-pinner right now for this video. I don't have a gauge, so I have to guess, and it can just ride on the edge of that. Okay, that's way too tall, so let me go back down to the size. Oh, it might not let me no matter what. Yeah. Oh, that sucks. Or will it? It might be because of the way the key was cut. I think there's like a little notch. Well, if it ain't the lowest, which is an American 1 or a master number 0, yep, it's in too high. Oh, that was worth a shot. I mean, it almost looks like it's perfect. Yep, that's too high. Can't do it. Thought I'd give it a shot for the video, though. Right. Now I can't get it out. So, sorry to make the video a little longer than it had to be. I just figured, hey, why not? If we can get an extra pin in there, let's just do it. Alright. So, we already tested out our keys. Close that before that spills. And actually, it doesn't matter which way it goes in because I have a shim in there, so boom. Got it back together. Now, I like to make sure I test it very carefully before I put the clamp back on, or the retaining clip on the back. It rotates, but I hold it when I pull the key out so it doesn't come whooshing apart. And that, guys, so I don't know how, if I have to send this directly to like a Reddit moderator, but this will go on my channel. We will go into, for, you know, my subscribers, I'll go into more of a detailed thing about Americans and all that, but change it up just to, I just wanted to get my, oh, son of a, I did it backwards like a dummy. Well, you know, I knew something wasn't right. I got too distracted. I'm not gonna repick it because I don't think I need to. Wow, you know, I was like, man, something isn't right. It's not that bad of a mess up. Ooh, come on. Alright, so gotta re-go through the process of putting the shim in. But I have the key this time. I'm so sorry about this. So just need to turn it around. Was that it? Oh, this one has a wafer plate in there. I didn't even notice that. Can't bypass it. Ooh, it looks like the half moon circle in there. My 1100 doesn't, and I do have a bypass tool for it, but anyway. Alright, so which side? See, I still think it's wrong because so I just changed those around. Alright. Problem should be fixed. Oh my goodness. I was right. Wow. Wow, that's crazy. Are we sure? Oh no. I was gonna say there's no way. Or is there a way? Did I really screw that up? I was right. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm so sorry. Oh yeah, I know how to take a lock apart. No, I obviously do. It's just, it's been a long day. I'm excited. Thinking about my eBay stuff. Hopefully this still isn't a 20-minute video though, but. So we just had to undo the process we just did, which was reversing it all. I thought I was right the first time. It just, I guess when I put it in the lock, it was stuck on something. Because I remember, doesn't matter. Yeah, that's... Alright, now, again, we're lucky enough. I had probably like 8 minutes of the video wasted right there. Sorry guys, I really am. It's, people forget things. I was right the first time, I just rushed it because I was too excited about my other stuff. Actually, I have a 5300 that I've never opened yet, picking wise. So, I would love to do that. I was going to do it for the video, I just didn't know if it would qualify for the blue belt. I wouldn't see why not. But, I just wanted to be safe than sorry. Alright, now, one last time. And here's the wafer plate for my channel, for people who don't know what it is. This is just an anti-bypass measure. It prevents you from putting a tool that would normally allow you to go all the way through the keyway and just turn the lock open, essentially. So, now before we do all that, there we go. Alright, so This will be on my channel. Thank you for everybody for watching. Hopefully this gets me my blue belt. Hopefully people ain't laughing their asses off at me because I look like a clown. I did pick the lock pretty quick though. It only took about a minute or two. It happened to cooperate for me. So, alright, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this gets me my blue belt. And hopefully, you know, we can continue to help each other. I'm loving this YouTube thing. I'm loving interacting with people on Reddit. And for the challenge lock that I made. And just a good group of people. Everybody's real helpful. So yeah, if you like this content and this video, give it a like, subscribe. We got giveaways. We already did one giveaway where we did that Master M5370 and repinned it with security pins and sent it out to one of my subscribers, and he should be getting that any day. I sent it out yesterday or the day before now. So I have plenty of giveaways. And speaking of American locks, I have an American knockoff, which is called First Watch. I call it a knockoff because it looks and acts just like an American, but it already comes pinned with 6 pins. Like how this one only had 5, that one already has the 6 in it. Alright, so anyway, sorry about all that. Picked, gutted, put back together, took back partially, put back together partially, took them back apart again, put back together all the way. After some struggle, lock still works, lock was picked. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, enjoy, and yeah, alright, thanks guys.